What if you could fit more, reducing the need for constant refills? Then you would have the Auto 10 Plus. Today we're introducing a new product, the Kuvings Auto 10 Plus, priced at $739, $40 more than the original Auto 10. Let's see what's inside the box. Here we have our warranty information, the manual, and our recipe book. Have our juicing bowl, the juice strainer, and wipers, as well as the auger. Our motor base. Put this box down as I get our last box out. We have our juice and pulp cups. Cool, we have a strainer this time. Have our cleaning device for the juice strainer. And here we have the hopper, and the hopper extension is already attached. And of course with Kuvings you get the sorbet and the smoothie strainer included. This is the extension. Put it on like that. Lift it off with these two buttons here. Or if you just wanted the hopper, you would attach it like so. And this is just an Auto 10 now. And here we have the stainless steel blade in the hopper. And it's not sharp. I can touch it with no issue, but you can tell it's just gonna be way more durable than the plastic. Last but not least, we have our brushes, power cord, and our pusher if we wanted to jam in ingredients into the hole up top. I'm gonna wash up all the pieces and then we're gonna put it to work. Me and Kuvings do have a partnership, but that's not gonna stop me from keeping it all the way real. I have a ton of produce I wanna try out. Pears, burdock root, Valencia oranges, apples, fennel. I wanna see how much I could fit in here. This is now going to be my pulp cup, massive, right? And I'm gonna be using this glass bowl to catch my juice, which is around 8 cups. Just gonna go ahead and pop a strainer over it like so. Put a compostable bag in here to catch our pulp. My juice setup. So I've been in love with the burdock and Asian pear combination. I think I'm gonna make burdock, Asian pear, a few Bosc pears, and we'll throw in a few red apples in there as well this time, with the key lime and ginger. And this large batch will be not only great for me, but the family as well. Can I get one more in there? Yeah, I think we're good to go on that. Let me go ahead and get my key limes. I always like to dice up my ginger just to ensure that I'm extracting as much as I can from it. I'm gonna leave this open. Slipping more burdock from the top. Gonna add in the rest of my pears, maybe a few green apples, and the burdock. A few more of the limes. When I finish a large batch, I like to add everything into one pot just to ensure that the flavor is consistent. Cheers, family. Very smooth consistency, and I'm happy with how that batch turned out. So using the original Auto 10 with the hopper that had the plastic blade, I never had any issues with it breaking and tearing down the produce. However, I will say with the stainless steel blade on the Auto 10 Plus, it seems more effortless. All right, look at all this pulp in one go. This is gonna be compost, but yeah, normally I'll have to change the bag twice. So the bigger cup, you know, it's the minor things. The last juice will be a green juice. I'm gonna use fennel bulb. Normally I would dice this up, but I want to see how the stainless steel blade chops it up. So I'll be tossing this in whole. I'm gonna use some cucumbers, watercress, key limes, and green apple. I did clean out the juicer from our last recipe. Wow, look, I could toss in 2 whole cucumbers without dicing anything. Get our fennel in there. Let me actually sneak in green apples first. I will cut this up a bit. Looks like a little bit of fennel got caught on there. Yeah, just a little bit of fennel. Got some green juice for the family. We're living good over here. Yeah. Cheers, family. This is really good. Very refreshing taste. That natural Gatorade-like taste. I'm going to get the juicer cleaned up, and then we'll do a quick comparison with the Auto 10 and our final thoughts. Silver label here makes a difference compared to here. I've juiced a variety of ingredients with the Auto 10, beets, ginger, burdock root, fennel, and more, without any issues. With the Auto 10 Plus, the stainless steel hopper blade creates an even smoother, quieter juicing experience, and it made me confident tossing in a whole fennel bulb. Even though I never felt a need for extra capacity with the original, I think Kuvings was inspired by users, including myself, filling the hopper past the max line. The added space in the Plus will be a game changer for those who don't want to chop their produce or want to make larger batches in one go. There are a few updates with the Auto 10 Plus, which some, in my opinion, make it easier to use and clean. The juice strainer now has a more closed opening at the bottom, unlike the more wide opening strainer on the original. The juice bowl no longer has a rubber stopper, which simplifies cleaning and may further prevent clogging. And the auger has fewer grooves. The biggest difference being the ability to attach this adjustment and the stainless steel blade inside of the hopper. With the Auto 10 Plus, you can leave it as is, or add on the extension. Very similar to attaching the lid. If you already have the Kuvings Auto 10, the upgrades like the stainless steel blade, expanded capacity, and minor design changes, I don't feel justified investing in a whole new juicer. Since the motor output remains the same, it would be great if Kuvings offered the option to upgrade just the top components, saving on cost. However, if you're in the market for a new juicer and you're torn between the Auto 10 and the Auto 10 Plus, go for the Auto 10 Plus. It has a more premium feel and handles produce even better, which says a lot since both are great machines. Overall, using the Plus was a great experience and I'm happy to add it to my collection. See what I did there? You can use my code Brandon at checkout to save 10%. With holiday season coming up, Kuvings is known for generous sales, which is a great time to invest in a quality juicer. Either way, I would greatly appreciate it if you use my code at checkout. It's a great way to indirectly support what I do here on the channel. Until next time, peace, God.